Welcome guys back to my channel. In this video tutorial we will learn how to knit a chevron stitch. Here I was using two colors. You may use one color or 10 colors. This is a very popular stitch for kitchen towels or baby blankets, and it's super easy because it has only one row to repeat. Here I don't cut the yarn when I change colors, so then you don't need to weave them later on. To knit chevron stitch, cast on the number that is multiple of 12 from this point to this point, and then you will need 13 extra stitches, 6 at the beginning and 7 at the end, and plus 2 selvage stitches. So in between here and here we have 12 stitches plus 13, 6 at the beginning, 7 at the end, and 2 selvage stitches. So let's get started. Here I don't show, but you start with one knitting row. So knit all stitches, and then we are not going to repeat this row anymore. The first row, knit all stitches. After that, we will have one row that we are going to repeat. Slip the first stitch and now knit 6. Now knit 2 together, knit 4, and now knit through the front loop and then knit through the back loop and drop the stitch of the needle. After that, knit 5. And starting from knit 2 together, we are going to repeat this part as many times as needed. So knit 2 together, knit 4, then knit front, knit back, and knit 5. Now let's repeat it again. Knit 2 together, knit 4, then knit front, knit through the back, and knit 5. At the end, knit 2 together, knit 4, now knit front, knit back, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, and now we are going to repeat absolutely everything the same. On the wrong side, slip on the first stitch, knit 6. Then the part that we are going to repeat, knit 2 together, and knit 4, then knit front, knit back, and knit 5. By the way, I didn't say you that there will be no wrong side if you're not going to change the color. If you're going to use one color, there will be just reversible blanket. And let's repeat again. Knit 2 together, knit 4, knit front, knit back, and knit 5. At the end, when we repeat as many times as needed, knit 2 together, knit 4, knit through the front loop, knit through the back loop, and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Now, if I want to change the color, I just grab the white color and there will be no selvage stitch. We knit the first stitch and then go on knitting the pattern. I hope it's clear. Thank you guys so much for watching me today, for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I wish you all the best and see you soon. Bye.